Yo guys, how's it going? I'm back with another video with Sam due to popular request. Here is the cute little guy. He's gonna be helping me making another Beyblade video where he picks the combos due to popular request. Tons of people were saying that they love Sam and they want more videos with him. So I suppose I'll do a part 2 with him because that video is doing insanely well. I think it has like 20k views right now, which is absolutely insane. By far my most viewed and popular video. So let's get right into the video. Also, I believe like 97% of you that watch the videos aren't subscribed. So if you could subscribe, that would mean a lot to me and Sam. We really appreciate it. We got the cores and greatest Raphael. I mean, you can't really split that up any other way. Let's have Sam choose the first core. Alright, since he isn't really picking any cores, I'm just going to sprinkle some of his like food or treats over it. Try to break some off on top of it. Just to maybe encourage him to go in that area. Alright, so now that I've got treats like sprinkled all over it, I'll put him back by the base and we'll see what he does. Alright, the first core is the astral core, or the spring core actually. This is dual rotation. Sam, stop biting me. That hurts. On to the next core. Ooh, that one was greatest Raphael. It was between greatest Raphael and Ragnarok, and I'm pretty sure that it was greatest Raphael. And Sam keeps on biting me. Ow, that hurts, man. Here, pick 2 more cores, and then we can move on. And I'll give you a little break. The Valkyrie core, the Valkyrie 2 core. Alright, I don't want to make him do something that he doesn't want to do, so I'm just going to only do 3 cores. So then I guess I'll suppose we move on to armors. Actually, I'm going to give him a little break first, but we're going to move on to armors and then blades. Alright, Sam, would you do me the favor of picking a DB blade? Alright, so he picked the Astral core, so it's going to be Astral Spriggan. It's kind of lame. The next one will be for the Valkyrie core. And then I just grabbed a random core for the 4th one because Sam didn't want to pick one. I'm not going to count that because I placed that there just to get his attention some more. So I'm not counting that as a pick, I guess. Alright, for guilty, we're going to give it the roar layer, or at least Sam did. And then for right spin, for the ultimate core, it's going to be Savior. So this might not actually be too bad of a combo. Alright, now we're on to discs. Let's have Sam pick some discs for us. Alright, Sam, would you do me the favor of picking a disc, please? Ooh, the first disc is over. So this is almost exactly Astral Spring and stock combo. That is quite surprising. And he picks Giga. That was not intentional, I promise. I did not mean to just toss it in there. I'll let Sam munch on that one while we wait for him to pick another disc. Alright, Sam. What will be the next pick? Next disc. The next one is Giga. So then the next disc he picks will be the final disc. Alright, I'm just gonna break this up in like 2 pieces and put it into some discs. just because it helps him decide. Otherwise, we'd be here for a long time. I'm gonna consider that one karma. I'm just gonna say that was karma because that was pretty close to being karma. On to the drivers. All right, on to the drivers. Sam, these are the final parts you'll have to pick, and then we can get into the battles, pal. The first driver is going to be high extend plus dash. So this will go on Astral Spriggan. So this Astral combo will be Astral Spriggan, over Karma, or not. I don't know why I called this Karma. Over extend high dash. Sam, you want to pick the second driver, please? By the way, I just gave all the bays the 2 armor because I didn't feel like putting Sam through that because he didn't really want to. The next disc is Absorb. So it makes the next combo. Greatest Raphael. And that's actually nothing. Greatest Raphael, Giga, nothing. And then we have Universe. So then that's Savior Valkyrie. Savior Valkyrie, 2 Giga Universe. Interesting combo. And for the final bay, what will the driver be, Sam? Ooh, and this is out. Fusion Metal. He might have picked that. I wasn't really paying attention. Well, he definitely did now. But I wasn't paying attention, so I'm going to give it Fusion Metal. Let's do some battles now. Now that we've got the bays picked out, let's do some battles between them. So I think I'll just randomly pick the battles because why not? So the first battle is going to be between Roar Longinus, Karma, Fusion Metal, I believe, and then Savior Valkyrie, Giga Universe Metal. I think I'm gonna watch Roar first because it's got more stamina. 3, 2, 1, shoot! There is Roar Longinus. 3, 2, 1, shoot! There is Savior Valkyrie. Hit it, literally self KOs. I'm gonna redo that, but weak launch. Valkyrie, 3, 2, 1, shoot. There is Roar. 3, 2, 1, shoot. I'm gonna weak launch Valkyrie because the Universe has actually a surprisingly good amount of life after death. And it should win this matchup just sheerly with life after death. Sam, step up. I'm gonna see if he wants to be put on the stadium. If he's fine with me sitting there. Good boy, Sam. And yep, just like I thought, Valkyrie wins. Here, you want this? There you go, bud. Nope, shoot. I'll do that one more time, I think. Then I'm gonna move on to do some other battles. Oh, shoot. Sam, you're dropping treats in the stadium, man. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. No, Sam. There's so much treats in there, dude. I'll have to clean up my stadium after the video. And Valkyrie wins yet again. Next is going to be Greatest Raphael versus Astral Spriggan. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There's Astral Spriggan. 3, 2, 1. Shoot. There's Greatest Raphael. Ooh, and there goes Greatest Raphael's barrier going up. And Sam's just consistently dropping seeds into the stadium. Oh my god. This is hilarious, dude. Astral Spriggan barely won that one just because Extend Plus has a lot of life after death, and it's a really competitive driver. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh, there goes Sam. He didn't like that. Where's Sam? Good bird. Here, you want some more cheats? Ow, okay. And Astral Spriggan wins yet again. Ooh, Greatest Raphael bursted once I picked it up. So that's fun. Next is gonna be Roar Longness versus Astral Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh, sorry, bud. Didn't mean to scare you. Remove the stadium. Yeah, he didn't like that one too much either. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Now there's just a bunch of seeds in the middle of the stadium. And I don't know what to do about it. And a double stadium out. Three, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Sam, they can't see. You can't see the stadium, man. No, your tail's gonna get caught in the Beyblades. All right, I think I should empty out the stadium. I mean, there's tons of seeds, so empty that out. I'll clean that up later. Well, let's do another battle, I suppose. All right, the next battle is going to be between Greatest Raphael and Savior Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Can we just talk about how good Greatest Raphael looks like? I mean, it looks amazing. Sam, step up if you wanna. You wanna watch? Your tail's gonna get your tail's gonna get stuck, man. You're not stuck, but hit by the Beyblades. And Greatest Raphael wins. I'm gonna do that one more time. Launcher skip there. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh my goodness. Savior Valkyrie bursted once I was putting it together. Dang. 3, 2, 1, shoot. I don't know if this is very fair because I launched Savior a lot later. Well, it bursted. It bursted Greatest Raphael. I was not really expecting that, honestly. That was a very cool burst. Unexpected, to say the least. I'm going to do that one more time just because that was an absolutely insane burst. It was like so unexpected. 3, 2, shoot. Oh my god, Savior bursted in my hand as well. It just bursted as soon as I picked it up. Dang. If I can get it together, that'd be nice. There we go. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Alright, it got instantly pocketed. I'm gonna have to redo that one. Alright, so my camera decided it would be funny and just die, so I lost some footage there. But it is what it is. We're just gonna keep on going with some battles. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There is Greatest Raphael. 3, 2, oh shoot, it fell off the launcher, no. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There is Valkyrie. Oh, And Valkyrie bursts, and as soon as I pick it up, so does Greatest Raphael. So that one's gonna go to Greatest Raphael. I'm not really keeping track of points. I'm just kind of battling for the fun of it. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Greatest Raphael. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Ultimate Valkyrie. And my launcher skipped there, unfortunately. And a double burst. I'm not sure who bursted first. One of them definitely did, but I wasn't paying enough attention. That was kind of sick, actually. Yeah, this is a really interesting matchup. I think I'm gonna try to do a free-for-all now of all the bays. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'll do that right now. So I'm gonna start with Astral Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There's Astral. Oh, dropped the bay. Gosh, it does not want to stay on the launcher. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh my god. Yeah, that happened. That was kind of sick. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. That was pretty hype. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. But yeah, Greatest Raphael takes that one. Maybe if the stadium wouldn't the ridge of it wouldn't have came off, then it would have been different. But I don't have the clips in place. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. And Astral Spriggan takes that. Man, these these 4-way battles are so sick, dude. So crazy. There's always a burst. I'll do one more and then I'm gonna end the video there. All right. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There is Astral Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. There's Roar Longinus. 3, 2, 1, shoot. There is that way. I can't think of the name right now. Oh, I can't even get Valkyrie in there. 3, 2, shoot. Yeah. All right, that was a lame battle, but whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, not a lot of you are subscribed, so if you would hit the subscribe button, that'd be really nice. Sam would appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and see you later.